Hello, my name is Jeff Shore, and I graduated from Bowling Green 45 years ago this spring. Now you're probably asking yourself, what does this old man who was probably on campus before electricity was invented, what does he have in common with the class of 2020? Well, there's three things. The first is I did not get to walk at my graduation. Now the reason wasn't a global pandemic, it was because I didn't have enough credits, but the effect was the same. My parents were pissed, and I had to go stay at their home until the next quarter started. And I don't know if you've spent any time with your parents lately, but it can get pretty awkward. The second thing we have in common is that someday someone is going to come up to you and say, how is it that you're so successful? And you're going to say it's because of the lessons that I learned inside the classroom and outside the classroom at the finest educational institution in the great state of Ohio, Bowling Green State University. And the last thing we have in common? Well, we both have class pictures. Don't judge, it was 1975. Thank you for the time. God bless, good luck, and we'll get through this thing together.